Hello guys, this is Subhan Arshad and this is my YouTube channel Car Adventure TM. So today I am going to review the all new Ford EcoSport 2020, the BS6 compliant engine, or you can say the EcoSport with the BS6 engine. So the length of the new 2020 EcoSport is 3998 millimeter. Width is 1765 millimeter, height is 1647 millimeter, and the variant you are seeing is a diesel variant, and the maximum power output of this engine is 99 bhp on 3750 rpm, and the maximum torque output is 215 newton meter on 1715 rpm. The mileage that company claims is of 21.7 kmpl, and the driving train is the front wheel drive, which is known as FWD. Air conditioner you got in this variant is an automatic climate control, all 4 power windows, central locking which is keyless, anti-lock braking system which is known as ABS. The seat upholstery you get in this variant is of leather. Front and rear tire size is different. The front tire size is of 205 Vol 50 R16, and the rear tire size is of 205 Vol 60 R16. And if we talk about the safety features of this all new Ford EcoSport BS6, you get 6 airbags, child seat anchor points, seat belt warning, ABS with EBD, brake assist, ESP, hill hold control, traction control system, engine immobilizer, central locking, speed sensing door lock, child safety lock. And if we talk about the comfort and convenience this car offers, it offers automatic climate control, rear AC vents are not available, heater is also available there, vanity mirrors on sun visor only for the co-driver, anti-glare mirrors, parking assist with reverse camera and rear parking sensors, cruise control is also there, headlight off and ignition key off reminder when you leave the car, keyless start, or you can say push button start, steering adjustment is tilt and telescopic both. And if we talk about the 12 volt power outlets, you get 2 power outlets, one at the front and one at the rear. And if we talk about the seat adjustment of this car, you get 6-way manually adjustable front passenger seat and 8-way manually adjustable driver side seat. Seat upholstery is of leather wrapped steering wheel, leather wrapped gear knob, driver armrest, rear passenger seat is also gets the leather. Interior color is of dual tone, which is black and grey. Rear armrest with 2 cup holders, split rear seat which is 60-40 split. Front seat pockets are also available, headrest front and rear both. And if we talk about the storage, you get cup holders at front and the rear both, driver armrest storage and sunglass holder. You get all 4 power windows, one touch up and one touch down only for the driver. Adjustable ORVM, turn indicators on ORVM, rear defogger, rear wiper, exterior door handles are body colored, rain sensing wipers, interior door handles are chrome, door pockets at the front, outside rear view mirror is body colored. And if we talk about the exterior, you get electrically adjustable sunroof, and roof rails are also available in this car, roof mounted antenna, body colored bumpers, and the roof mounted antenna is an sharp fin antenna. And if we talk about the lightning setup of this all new 2020 Ford EcoSport BS6, you get daytime running lights which are LED, fog lights, halogen on front and halogen at rear. Headlights are projector with xenon, automatic headlamps, follow me home headlamps, Tail lights are also halogen. Cabin lamps front and rear both. Headlight adjuster is also available. Lights on, vanity mirror only for the co-driver. Rear reading lamp is also available, as you can see on your screen. And if we talk about the instrumentation of this car, you get an analog instrument cluster. Trip meter it shows will be electronic 2 trips, and it will also show average fuel consumption, average speed, distance to empty, clock which will be digital, low fuel level warning, door ajar warning, adjustable cluster brightness, tachometer which is analog. And if we talk about the entertainment unit or information unit of this car, you get a smart connectivity of Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, integrated music system, displays of touch screen, GPS navigation system. You get 6 speakers, and the capability of the touch screen is of USB capability, aux capability, Bluetooth capability, MP3 playback, FM radio, and you also get the steering mounted controls. And if we talk about the manufacturing warranty that Ford offers on its EcoSport is of 3 years, and the engine of this car you get is of 1498 cc 4-cylinder inline 4-valve cylinder DOHC, and it is of 1.5 liter DV5 diesel engine. And the driving range on the single full tank of this car you get is of 1128 km, and the transmission you are seeing on your screen is a 5-gear manual gearbox. It is a turbocharged engine, and the emission norm this car stands now is of BS6, which is Bharat State 6. And the wheelbase of this car is of 202,519 mm, ground clearance is of 200 mm, curve weight 1,309 kgs, and it is a 5-door car. Seating capacity of 5%, number of seating rows are 2. Boot space you get is of 352 liters, and fuel tank capacity is of 52 liters. And if we talk about the suspension setup and the brake setup of this car, you get independent MacPherson front suspension and semi-independent twist beam type rear suspension. You get front disc brake and rear drum brakes. Minimum turning radius of this car is of 5.3 meters. The steering type is power assist, which is also electric, and this car gets alloy wheels in this variant, and the spare wheel you get is also an alloy wheel, and the rear tire size of 205/60 R16. And if we talk about the colors which Ford offers on its EcoSport are as follows. The color you have seen on your screen is absolute black, and more colors are as follows: lightning blue, smoke grey, canyon ridge, moondust silver, race red, and diamond white. These are the colors offered by Ford on its EcoSport. So, and the price of this car 11,66,840 rupees, which is in ex-showroom price, not on-road price. And if we talk about the base variant price of this car is the ex-showroom price of the Ford EcoSport's base variant is 8,04,000 rupees, which is an ex-showroom price of this car. So if you like my video, share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel Car Adventure TM. I will be there with my all new videos. So see you in the next video. Till then, see you. Bye bye.